Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade with one click using AI in poker option. So if you want to trade using AI, artificial intelligence in your trade, here's how you can get it done. First thing you have to do is open up your poker option app on your phone, then tap at the profile icon at the left top corner, then tap on settings. Once tap on settings, then you will see you find an option where you can select trading mode by you preferring the classic mode or the AI mode. So just tap on the AI mode. Once tap on the AI mode, then you tap on this tense button at the right top corner of the settings. Tap on it, then go back to the home page. Then you'll see the AI mode activated in your trading, and this is only applicable for the real account trading, not the demo account. Thank you.